What's good, YouTube gang? Your boy Jambisco back with another Dutty money Riddim reaction gang. Yeah man, and it look like Valiant get authorization. You see me I say? Yeah man, look like Valiant get authorized, bro, because he dropped this like a couple hours ago. The one that entitled Bubblegum. Yeah man, I check it out and swear dog and do you know Valiant for the Valiant like one like say man the pretty boy like him and the girl is no Valiant. What? Cut it out, you're not that guy. You see me I say, but big up Valiant. You see me I say? I'll check it out and see what dog I deal with today, gang. I'll jump right in the reaction and see my deal with. You see me I say, this is Valiant Bubblegum. Let's get it.
Yeah, Russian, you have to authorize it because something after all you see in my mind.
Yeah, dog say dog, Russian, the girls are Russian, you have to authorize the one, yeah. Easy no mama. Yeah man, yeah, but like, hey, easy.
Me had a girl them. Me had a girl them bubblegum. Me had a girl them bubblegum. And she waiting for me and a bubble.
Hey, talk truth. Yeah, them bubble. Hey, mama, hey. Yeah man.
Me had a girl them bubblegum.
Yeah.
Me had a girl them bubblegum. And she waiting for me and a bubble.
Yeah.
Big in time the music don't turn.
Easy no man, yeah, hey, mama, yeah, go. Hey.
Money down, the party too nice, we a go bunny down. Tell my finger just turn one money gun.
Yeah.
Tell me play with the pussy, tell the pussy come.
Yo, Valiant always doing this in every song. Yo, what is that, bro?
Me love see the girl them on bicycle. A family could tell a fight from a tricycle. I mean I choke you, I fuck your heart. As a big woman, and what you ever tell your man?
She looks to my dad, mama. Hey!
The only man she pray to went to the Father from my mind.
Hey, so nice to feel this in this, you know, man. Nice to be this, you know, man. Come here.
Me and my gun with blood clap beat up. And you will know.
Why your pants so baggy, my youth? I go on Valiant. You try to be Yankee or go on, brother. Man, pants baggy.
When the pro box reach 5.62, your murder that leak up. No boy. Girl, I'm playing a hand, turn around. Pussy girl can't give me no head alone.
Oh, that's a good pussy girl. Give me no head alone. I mean, you saw the good Tom and go on. Hey, I'm so stingy with the thing, man. Yeah, man, give me some man. No, I'm too.
Murder that leak up. No boy. Girl, I'm playing a hand, turn around. Pussy girl can't give me no head alone. Hello, girl, your breast and my jello, your teeth down yellow, your pussy don't stretch out. Put up.
Easy now, man. That's right, mama. When you hear that, teeth down yellow. Teeth come. And you, hey.
Hello, girl, your breast and my jello, your teeth down yellow, your pussy don't stretch out.
You feel me, mama? For anything you got the glue.
Step on the box, shut the pussy down echo. Love girl uptown, love girl in the ghetto. Bubblegum. We had a girl them bubblegum, and she a waiting for me and a bubble up.
Yeah, man, mama bubble up like a pot of hot water. Like you're so super boy, like I mean.
Big in time the music don't turn it down. The party too nice, we a go bunny down. Tell my finger just turn one money gun. Girl, mama play with the pussy.
Bubble like when you make song, you sound nice, caramel pie, you see me?
Tell the pussy come. Bubblegum.
This one, man, look good though, not lie. Yeah, man, y'all them up, man. They're all white. Easy, no? Yeah, man, with a shot, man. Watch it, more girl, them look for the girls, but hey! Yeah, man. Valiant, Bubblegum, head concussion, bad tune. You see me, I say, gang. Yeah, man, that one there go on, man. One thing about the one there, you see me? That one there have a vibe to it. You see me? The video have a little buzz. You see me? Yeah, you don't know when everything when Russian do, you see me, when it comes to video, it's always some high production, high quality shit. You see me? The color saturation and color grading is always crazy. You see me? I say you always have that foreign look to it. You see me? I say, so shout out to them, man. Good job. You see me? I say, a nice tune. Which one I think shot? You see me? I want to take the Riddim so far. Nigeria, Roger Wild, Valiant, Briscoe. Who else drop on the Riddim yet? We hear a Craft Vice on it, but him not drop it. I hear I think Labas. I'm getting it wrong. You see me? A couple of the artists Vice on it when drop as yet. You see me? I say, well, check it out and see what dog I deal with, man. You know what I'm saying? So which one loves the most so far? Drop in the comment section. You already know, let's chop it up, gang. You don't know. Till next time, boy, Jambisco. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.